Hey guys, it is Tabitha with Smartphone Marketing School. I wanted to share with you a quick tip for getting your ideas in the moment, vomiting them out into your phone, and knowing they're safe for whenever you're actually ready to go back to those ideas and develop them. So I call this idea dumping, probably not the first time somebody said that, but basically what I do on my phone is I make sure that in the control center, and for me, I have to swipe up on my phone to access that, I make sure that I have notes and voice memo as control center icons, so I can just quickly press on them and go ahead and vomit out that idea that I have. So I can either tap on notes, create a new note, or if I do a 3D press on the voice memo, I can actually tap and get into voice memos I'm already working on. So maybe you have a bigger topic or idea, then what you can do is just get right back to that idea and just start recording yourself talking about your idea, getting it out, clearing space in your brain, so then later on you can go back and get it all fixed and ready to go. Or you can do a completely new recording and have it there. A lot of times I will transcribe them to text and use them in blog posts, video tutorials like this one, and so forth. So how do you make sure you have those two in your control center? You want to go to settings, then you will go to control center right here, tap on there, customize controls, and then just make sure that whatever you want in your control center, you tap on the green plus sign and move it on up there. You can switch the order right here, so I make sure that I have notes and voice memos right there together, so I can easily swipe up, tap, get that idea, dump it, get it out, and have it ready for when I'm ready to really get cracking on that idea. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Follow Smartphone Marketing School for more tutorials on how to market your business right from your smartphone. Bye-bye.